Why Red Deer, Alberta is a great place to live in 2024. Are you thinking about moving to Red Deer, Alberta, but you're unsure if it's the right decision for you? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into why Red Deer is one of the best places to live in 2024. From its breathtaking natural surroundings to its strong economy, affordable living, and incredible community spirit, Red Deer offers something for everyone, whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or even retirees. So sit back, relax, and let's explore why Red Deer is the perfect place to call home. Reason number 1, natural beauty. Let's start with one of the biggest draws for people moving to Red Deer, its stunning natural beauty. Situated between Calgary and Edmonton, Red Deer offers a unique mix of prairies, river valleys, and proximity to the Rocky Mountains, all of which provide endless outdoor opportunities. Whether you're into hiking, cycling, fishing, or simply enjoying the fresh air, Red Deer gives you easy access to nature in all its glory. One of the local favorites is Bower Ponds, a beautiful park in the heart of Red Deer. In the warmer months, you'll find people canoeing, paddle boating, and having family picnics. During the winter, the ponds transform into an outdoor skating rink, a magical experience that brings out the charm of winter in Canada. If you're someone who loves getting outside, Red Deer has over 110 kilometers of walking and biking trails that wind through the city, connecting many of its parks and natural areas. The trails along the Red Deer River are especially popular. It's a great way to start your day with a brisk walk or unwind after work by taking in the peaceful river views. And let's not forget, you're just a short drive away from the Rocky Mountains. In under 2 hours, you can find yourself hiking or skiing in places like Banff and Jasper, a perfect weekend getaway. So, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just love having nature at your doorstep, Red Deer is a dream come true. Not only that, Red Deer is home to Alberta's first federal migratory bird sanctuary, the Gates Lake Sanctuary, which is perfect for bird watchers and those who enjoy peaceful nature walks. You can truly feel at one with nature here, whether it's spotting wildlife or just taking in the lush greenery that surrounds you. Reason number 2, thriving economy. Now let's talk about something that's crucial for anyone considering a move, job opportunities. Red Deer's economy is booming, with a diverse range of industries supporting the city's growth. Whether you're working in the oil and gas sector, healthcare, education, or even agriculture, Red Deer has a place for you. Plus, the city's strategic location along the Calgary-Edmonton corridor makes it an ideal hub for businesses of all sizes. Cut to shots of workers at a local Red Deer business, emphasizing collaboration and innovation. A significant employer here is the Red Deer Regional Hospital, which provides opportunities in the healthcare sector and is known for offering quality healthcare services to residents from surrounding areas as well. The city of Red Deer also provides employment in public services, infrastructure development, and more. But it's not just big employers that make the economy strong. Red Deer also has a vibrant entrepreneurial spirit. Many startups and small businesses have made their mark here, thanks to the support from organizations like the Red Deer Chamber of Commerce. If you're someone with an entrepreneurial mindset, Red Deer has the resources to help you succeed. There's a growing demand for local products and services, and the community here loves to support its own. In fact, Red Deer's support for local businesses is one of the things that stands out the most. Whether it's weekend farmers markets, craft fairs, or shopping in local boutiques, there's a strong emphasis on keeping it local. This not only helps the economy but also fosters a sense of connection within the community. Reason number 3, high quality of life. When it comes to quality of life, Red Deer truly excels. The city is known for being family-friendly, offering everything from top-rated schools to exceptional recreational facilities. If you're raising children, you'll be happy to know that Red Deer's public and Catholic school systems are highly respected, with schools that offer a wide range of extracurricular activities. For families with younger children, Red Deer is a fantastic place to grow up. The city is equipped with safe playgrounds, indoor sports centers, and public swimming pools, ensuring that children have plenty of ways to stay active and engaged. And if you have older kids, the Red Deer Polytechnic offers a great array of courses, so they won't have to leave home to get a quality education. One of the things residents love most about Red Deer is the sense of community. The crime rate is low compared to other cities, and people here are friendly and always willing to lend a hand. It's the kind of place where you know your neighbors, and it's easy to get involved in local activities, whether it's through volunteering, community programs, or even just joining a local sports team. And let's not forget about housing. Red Deer offers a wide variety of affordable housing options, from single-family homes in suburban neighborhoods to downtown condos and townhouses. You can choose a neighborhood that fits your lifestyle, whether you're looking for a quiet, family-oriented area or a more lively, urban environment. Reason number 4, affordable cost of living. Another big reason why Red Deer is a great choice is its affordable cost of living. Compared to cities like Calgary or Edmonton, housing prices in Red Deer are significantly lower, and that's a huge plus for anyone looking to save money while still living comfortably. Not only is housing affordable, but Red Deer's central location makes it easy for commuters. If you work in either Calgary or Edmonton, you'll find that Red Deer is a convenient midpoint, offering a quieter, more relaxed lifestyle without sacrificing your ability to travel to the bigger cities when needed. Plus, daily expenses like groceries, utilities, and entertainment tend to be more affordable in Red Deer compared to larger metropolitan areas. This gives you the ability to live well, without stretching your budget too thin. Reason number 5, community events and culture. One of the things that truly makes Red Deer stand out is its vibrant community life. No matter the season, there's always something happening in the city. Red Deer hosts a number of events and festivals throughout the year, including the famous Westerner Days Fair and Exposition, which draws thousands of visitors for carnival rides, food, and live entertainment. If you're into arts and culture, you'll love exploring Red Deer's museums, galleries, and performance venues. The Red Deer Museum and Art Gallery showcases incredible local talent and historical exhibits, while the Alberta Sports Hall of Fame pays tribute to the province's athletic heroes. Red Deer also has a thriving arts scene with local theater productions, live music shows, and community performances that bring people together and celebrate the city's creative spirit. I hope this helps with your video project. Let me know if there are any other details you'd like to refine.